Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to allow microphone access in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're using Edge for video calls, voice searches, or recording audio, enabling microphone access is essential. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then, select Settings. Next, go to Cookies and Site Permissions from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Microphone. Make sure the option Ask Before Accessing is enabled. If it is turned off, Edge will block microphone access by default. Check that the correct microphone is selected in the drop-down menu. If you have multiple microphones, choose the one you want to use. After following these steps, your microphone should work in Microsoft Edge. If you're still having trouble, try restarting Edge or your computer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials.